A scale is simply a specific sequence of notes. Of course, we can create a scale with all 12 notes we find in each octave. That's called a chromatic scale. But usually we use scales with a smaller amount of notes. The two most important scales we use in Western music, the major and minor scale, are so-called diatonic scales, which consist of 7 notes. This is why the piano has 7 white keys in each octave. And it's also why our musical alphabet has 7 letters. Each letter appears exactly once in any major or minor scale. Using just the white keys on the piano, we can already play both a major and a minor scale. If we begin on C, that's a C major scale. If we begin on A, we play an A minor scale. It is often said that major and minor have different emotional qualities. Major keys tend to sound bright and uplifting, while minor keys sound a little darker and sadder. In any case, the vast majority of Western music, from classical to pop, is based on these scales. So when you hear that a song is in a specific key, such as C major or A minor, it means that the first note of that scale is the tonal center, and the song mostly uses notes and chords from that specific scale. We'll take a closer look at the structure of major and minor scales in Chapter 5.